Welcome to my home gym, my office, my film studio, and my living space. Otherwise, these four walls are known as my bedroom.
I've been waiting such a long time for you to realize.
Like everyone else in the world, I've been on TikTok a lot lately, and it's kind of made me catch a little bit of a transformation bug. Now, I probably just made that up. I don't know if that's a real thing, like the travel bug, but basically I've been watching a lot of transformation, like room transformation TikToks. And as much as I do love a small little simple DIY, I've kind of just been like really craving like a big DIY transformation. You know what I mean? I feel like I've never like been 100% happy with the way that my room looks because I always just focus on like this side, like the side that I'm filming on, because that's the side that matters, because that's the side that goes on the internet. I kind of wanted to focus on the entire room this time and try and transform my room into something that I'm actually like 100% happy with. So I'm gonna be straight up with you guys. I literally have no money, like zilch, like nothing, nada. In an ideal world, I would love to be able to somehow like do this for free, but obviously I feel like that's going to be something that's going to be next to impossible to accomplish. My plan here is to pretty much just like cheap this out as much as I possibly can, but still get the result I'm looking for. So fingers crossed. Of course, naturally, as any room transformation should begin, I went on Pinterest and found two photos that I kind of really liked that I wanted to kind of emulate in my room. Even though I said two photos, I don't even remember what the first one was. So I'm gonna talk about the second one. I have this backdrop that's like gray brick, but I don't know, I'm not really not feeling it because it's getting all wrinkled and squished up in there, and I feel like it's pretty much just getting ruined. My plan is to create some shelves kind of like this Pinterest photo, because I thought that would be like a really great place to put camera stuff, put some music stuff up there, get some stuff out of the shelves in that little nook over there, decorate it up and look all cute, because it's really like such a huge waste of wall space. For the wall that has my dresser, I would really love to take that mirror off and get a circle mirror. The dresser is fine, but the mirror just like, it's just, I don't know. It's a good mirror to look at your outfit in. If it was circle, I feel like it'd be a lot more like, it would look a lot more modern to me. I'm going to put my wall collage up behind there, you know, those trendy wall collages. I do want to fix up the window seat. I would really like to make a cushion for it because it's never had a cushion. I would really like to make a cushion. I'm really digging like yellow, mustard yellow. Why did I just say yellow twice? I don't know. I would really love to do something with the bed sheets and maybe make a duvet cover, or get like a throw blanket that's like mustard color, just because I really want to incorporate some more like mustard and yellow. Because my room's blue, I feel like it could kind of work, you know? And then I think above this wall behind me, I'm not 100% sure. I think I might want to do it like a gallery wall, because I do have some pictures and stuff around the room that are gonna have to be taken down for the other things that I want to do on the walls. Those are the ideas. Let's see what we can do with those. But before I can do any of that, I'm sure you guys saw in the footage that the room is actually like a disaster, so we're gonna have to clean this place up. And by we're, I mean me, not us, just me.
I've been waiting such a long time for you to realize. If you don't get what you want in life, it's a healthy exercise. Life was not this insane. Feel the creature chances. When the wolf right at your doorstep, you see what you're from. Get in return. You twist and you turn. All the bridges burn. While I'm far away, all you want is to decide. Back to the start.
So I just like cleaning just as much as the next guy, so whatever's left that needs to be cleaned, I'm kind of just gonna like clean as I go, because I really want to get onto some more fun stuff. I'm going to kind of pull a TikTok on you, which is something that you might not like, but I'm gonna be doing this video in parts. In this part of the video, we're gonna be doing all like the free stuff. That's all I got for you guys right now. And then hopefully in the next part, we can put a little bit more money into it. Watch the ads if you want me to put money into it. This is the wall collage that I made a year ago in one of my YouTube videos. I'll link it in the card above if you want to check it out, as well as in the description box below. But I'm going to be using this, so it's not going to cost me anything. I'm going to put it up against this wall.
It's getting blurry now. So you chase the rain, 'cause you wanted to decide. Mine is at ease when all you hear is woo, woo, woo.
like it looks like 10 times better, and I just put up some paper on the wall, which pretty simple, pretty easy. And I'm gonna go on to the collage wall, I think, because there's a couple of picture frames and stuff that I've taken down from around the room. But honestly, first, I think I'm gonna go ahead and take down the brick backdrop over here. I'm not gonna work on the shelves today because I don't have anything ready for them yet, but the fact that this backdrop over here is just crinkling up is driving me nuts. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that down now. That wall literally hasn't seen the light of day in a really long time, and it looks really weird now. Since we're kind of looking in this direction anyway, I'm sure you guys can probably tell that back here is an absolute disaster. It's probably gonna take me a long time to try and sort through it. So what I did before was hang a curtain in front of it, but I actually had to take the curtain down because I was using it for a photo shoot. I'm about to show you how easy it is to hide a bunch of stuff that you have nowhere else to put but a cubby. I mean, the mess isn't gone, but you can't tell me it doesn't look 10 times better when you can't see it. So I'm about to do what I do best and be very unprofessional about what I'm about to do, which is hang a bunch of picture frames up on the wall. I'm just gonna use thumbtacks because I don't have any nails and I don't have a hammer, and they're pretty light, so they should be okay. I'm probably not gonna map it out beforehand. Just kind of gonna eyeball it, fingers crossed, and hope for the best. Here we go. I was a little bit worried when I was doing those pictures because I was like, does this look bad? But I think once I put the Polaroids up in to fill like the gaps, I think it turned out okay. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I think that's gonna be it for part 1 of the room transformation. If you guys want to see a part 2, make sure you let me know in the comments down below. Give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out when you guys engage with my videos because it helps me get a little bit more funding for bigger projects, you know, from ad revenue and stuff like that. So it just really helps out when you guys engage with the video because YouTube knows that you like it when you do that. So leave a comment, give it a like, share it with your friends, whatever you want to do. Watch it a couple times all the way to the end. That also helps too. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you want to see a part 2, make sure to stay tuned, subscribe, and I will see you guys next Sunday for another DIY video or lifestyle or whatever type of video. I'll see you guys next Sunday with another video on this channel. I will see you guys very soon on the vlog channel as well as semi-daily on Instagram and TikTok. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys then. Bye!